Hi, okay, so continuing how to do some basic intro stuff for our Canvas. If you were not able to make the meeting with Karen or me, this is basically some of the stuff that we were covering. So in the previous video, we covered how to change your account picture according to what the district wanted and notifications that you'll be receiving either daily or immediately or not at all or weekly. So if you notice that I have these really cool pictures and yours might just be green or blue or purple or whatever they are, then you can also change your photos and you can also change this nickname down here. So if you notice that some of yours are going to look like they have crazy numbers and they'll have semester 1, semester 2, I have nicknamed mine different ones. The reason you have so many of these is because they were imported from Infinite Campus. And in Infinite Campus, you have your gradebook set up for semester 1, semester 2. If you're electives, you probably have a whole lot more. So I went to these 3 dots here. And when I click on it, it lets me change the color, or I can also change the nickname. So if I change the color, this is what it's going to show up as in my calendar. Notice my dot is the same color as what I chose down here. You do not want these to be the same color for every class, or in your calendar, you won't be able to discern which one is which. You're going to want to nickname your class something that's going to make sense for you. So you might call this Sandbox, you might call it Test Course, you might just simply call it Test. And then you click Apply, and you're done. For those of you more advanced, if you notice that there is a set of letters and numbers down here, this is what color it is. If you know how to change these, you are more than welcome to add in any color that is not on here. There are also YouTube videos on how to do that. So to change my image, I have to actually click on the course. So I click on the course, and then I'm going to go over here to the left side in my navigation, and I'm going to go down to Settings. Once I'm in settings, I want to make sure I am in course details. Once I'm in course details, I click on the 3 dots and I go to choose image. You can either upload an image that you have by clicking in this box, or you can go to Unsplash. Unsplash is a image searching site that will let you not have to cite your sources. So some teachers don't realize that when they use images, they have to cite the source of that image because otherwise it is technically stealing that person's property. However, everything on Unsplash is free for you to use without citation. So let's say I wanted to have a beach theme and I'm really missing the beach. I can pick a picture with whatever makes me happy about the beach. Oops, sorry, I clicked on his name. That was my bad. Okay, I can click on the beach, and now I have a beach. If I decide, I don't really want a picture, I can just click Remove Image. So when I'm done with this, I go down to the bottom and I click Update Course Details. So if you notice underneath here, there's a whole lot of other stuff. It can be when your course starts, when your course ends. I haven't touched any of this because, quite frankly, I don't really want to mess anything up. I did, however, go to navigation. So if you notice over here, some of my choices have little eyes that have been crossed out. These are what students can see and what they can't see. If I don't want my kids to be completely overwhelmed, which you don't, I am going to make sure that students only see home, syllabus, modules, assignments, discussions, grades, and that's it. You can fix these by just simply clicking and dragging, and now that's hidden. If I want to unhide it, I click and drag back up. And now my students see it or don't see it. So there you go.